Good afternoon, Chetan. So tell about you, Chetan.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Tell about you.
Myself, Chetan.
Okay. I'm able to read your name, Chetan. Already I read your name. Apart from it.
I studied my BBA in Christian College itself.
Okay.
But more.
So we have nothing to say apart from it, our name and education.
What should I tell, sir?
Yes. So what is the reason you switched off your video?
Sir?
Actually, you switched on the video only now. What is the reason?
No. It glitches, so I just off it.
Okay. Okay, fine, Chetan. So according to you, what is mean by decision?
Decision is.
So dear friends, completely the 1.5 hours, I will ask only question because I don't know any answer. Because as a faculty, I know only to ask questions. Okay, you are the people who have to help me. Yes.
That's what a decision took me the person to interact. It's a decision.
Yes, sir.
The decision you're taken to interact with me. That's called
What is mean by decision, sir?
Sir?
What is mean by decision according to you?
Decision taking for like solving.
Whatever the word you are saying, somebody took in a different session, right? Problem solving, critical thinking, whatever your word you are going to say, that is a separate session. That means that decision making and other things are different. What is mean by decision?
The decisions which we take that to solve problems or something.
Okay. Yes. So you please stay. So I will be picking another person. Steffi and Chaco.
Yes, sir. Hello.
You have to make the video on. Okay.
It's on, sir.
Going to interact. Yes. I'm saying Chetan. And Infant Richard.
Yes, sir.
Few people. Okay. So Rishikesh. Yes, Rishikesh. So let us see. Okay. So the 4 people, I believe that all the 4 people are visible to all. Okay. Yes, Steffi and Infant Richard and Rishikesh. Okay. So I've just asked the question. So please see the 4 people in the video. Okay. So the 4 people are available, right? Chetan, Steffi, Rishikesh, Infant. Okay. Yes, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'm just asking question. Okay. There are 3 people: Infant Richard, Chetan, and Steffi. Okay. So you have to comment about them. Assume that these are the 3 managers. Okay. What is your opinion about these managers?
So I should say the opinion about those managers.
Yes.
So without knowing them, how should I say?
Assume that you are in a HR interview and you are a chief HR manager. Okay. And you have to take one best person for your company. Your company is a global level automobile manufacturing company. It is having all the variants starting from the 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler. Okay. So all the top automobile company. Okay. So you have to appoint one chief marketing officer. So please listen. So all of you please listen. The question will be immediately jump to next one. Randomly I will choose the name. Okay. So you have to select one chief marketing officer. Okay. So for the global level. Okay. So please you see all these 3 people. If you want to ask, you are allowed to ask only 3 questions. You are allowed to ask only 3 questions. It's like an interview. Okay. Within that, you have to decide and you have to give me the opinion about these 3 people and you have to decide any one people for the chief marketing officer. Yes, please. Start.
Sir, can I know which are the three people?
Sir, you can just move your thing, move your
mobile.
Sir,
the thing is, I am using mobile phone. My laptop had got.
Yes, sir. Just drag it. Next, you give next. The 4 people will be visible.
Chetan, Steffi, and Richard.
Exactly. You are right.
Okay.
So Chetan, Steffi, Infant. Okay. So welcome. You are sitting in an interview with a great person, Rishikesh. Okay, he is going to interview you for a few seconds. Okay, so please be act smart. Okay, yes, start, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Chetan. Hello, Chetan. Chetan, can you please respond?
Chetan, you have to unmute.
Hello, Rishikesh.
Hi, Chetan. My name is Rishikesh. So I'm running
Yeah,
I'm a senior manager in the automobile company. So I think you are looking for a senior job here.
Yeah.
So can you please explain anything about automobiles? Like why you are interested in here?
Automobiles, every boy have an automobiles. Every boy have a dream to take a bike. So I have a dream to work in automobile company. That's so. And see many
Okay,
bikes,
fine.
many bikes.
You have any such brand which you like?
Rishikesh, dear Rishikesh, you have only 3 questions. Okay, only you
Okay.
have to ask only 3 questions. Please be choosy. You
Sir,
have to
is
ask the
that-
same 3 questions to all the 3 people.
Sir, is that 3 questions for a person or
3
one?
common question to all. 3 common question to all. So please
Okay.
think which question is very important for them. Yes.
So which automobile company you like the most? And why you choose that?
Royal Enfield,
Okay.
because for its classic and its the durability and its strongness.
Okay, fine. Okay. Next, Steffi. Hi, Steffi.
Hi.
My name is Rishikesh. How are you?
Fine.
Sir, if you are asking how are you, one question is over. Please understand.
So
Already
I
know
will-
what is happening. You have to ask only 3 short questions. Yes.
Okay. So, Steffi, can you say any automobile company you like the most and why you like that?
I like Tata Motors.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you say why you like Tata Motors?
Second question over.
Okay.
it's because Tata Motors it's one of the most popular company,
Okay.
and it produce good durable good automobiles.
Sure. Thank you. Richard?
Yes.
Hi,
Yes,
hi,
Rishikesh.
Richard. Hi, Richard.
Hi.
So the question is, which automobile company you like the most and why you prefer that?
I like Tata Motors, as Steffi said,
Okay.
because Ratan Tata is my inspiration.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, sir.
Yes.
So I feel like Richard is capable for that. So because
Yes. Hold. Select
Okay.
Richard and Rishikesh. Please wait. Okay, I will come back to you. Yes, thank you. Yes. Next, I will be picking a few people whose video is not on. Okay. Yatin Yen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yatin Yen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please wait. I just try to make a spotlight. And Venkatashavya. Okay, Shavya. Venkatashavya, are you there? Hello. Yes. So if they are not responding, okay, so I'm going to put them in waiting. Okay, this is my decision. I'm also taking some decisions. Okay, so I'm asking them to speak. Okay, if they are not responding, it's an assumption they are not there. So I'm putting them in waiting. I'm not going to admit them unless I get some message from the friends. Okay, I'm making them in waiting. Yes. And Nicole Fenwick. Nicole Fenwick. Yes, I'm putting him in waiting. This means that these people are absent for the session. Okay. Aditya Pillai. Aditya Pillai. Aditya Pillai. So any friends are there, please inform them. I am putting them in waiting. Yes. Abhishek Biyani.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. I am able to hear you. Yes. Dear friends, I am giving you just a minute. One announcement I will tell. Okay. Hari Prasad. Okay. Then Steffi M. Matthew.
Yes, sir.
Steffi M. Matthew.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So except these persons, other people, please relax for a few seconds. You can switch off your video. When I call back, you have to come in because I want to see only the 4. Yes. Other people, so please switch off your videos. Rishikesh, you can switch off. I will come back to you.
Sure, sir.
Yes, 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 yes. So I informed the 4 people. I am able to see only 3. Who are all others? Yatin, Abhishek, Hari Prasad, another one. Yes. Abhishek, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please switch on your video.
Sir, my video is on, sir.
Yes, 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 fine. Yes. Yes, yes. So Abhishek, okay, you observed to the conversation happen between Rishikesh and 3 people, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you please judge how Rishikesh evaluated?
Sir, Rishikesh actually evaluated on the basis of the preference of the people. Like for example, Richard actually Richard actually said like his role model is Mr. Tata. So
Okay.
on that basis, he chose the Richard instead of Chaitan and all. So it depends on what facts the person is telling, and on that basis, we choose the candidate.
Okay. Yes, Yatin, what's your opinion on his decision? Okay, Yatin, and I am unable to hear you. Okay. Okay, fine. So you also can switch off. Okay, I will come back to you. I'm just I'm asking a set of questions. Okay. Yes. So now I need some other people to switch on your videos. Okay. So Alina Sunny, Alina, Steffi Maria, Kevin Stephen. No. I'm not asking all to switch on. Please listen. I'm asking Alina, Steffi Maria, Kevin Stephen. Steffi Maria, Kevin Stephen. So Brainerd, please switch off your video. Kenneth, please switch off your video. Kevin, yes, I will pick another person. Christina. Okay, so all are here. Yes. So one question. Okay, so you again you are in an interview. Okay, you have to choose a person. Okay, so there are 2 options. Okay, you can find out an experienced person. Again, it is the same profile. Okay, automobile industry. You are looking for the sales. Okay, so chief marketing officer. 2 things. Okay, so you can look for a less experienced marketing person whose salary can be very less. Okay, whose salary can be very less. Dear friends, everything is recorded, so please keep in mind. Okay, so you have the 2 choice. You can select one best person. For
Excuse
him,
me,
the
sir.
salary is very high.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, actually, Aditya Pillai is having some network issues, so he's
Yeah,
not
I
able
received
to
the
join.
message. I received the message. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Kevin, Alina, and Christina. Okay, and Steffi. So you have the two options. You can choose a less experienced comparatively person, but he is very aggressive marketer. You have to choose one person as a chief marketing officer for your automobile company. Okay, you can choose him, or otherwise another person with the 50 years of experience. 50 years of experience, but his salary package expectation is 4 times the normal person. Are you getting the point? Both the person have to work as a chief marketing officer to drive the sales. You have two options as HR manager. Okay, either you can pay 4 times the salary to get the experienced person, or you can choose a comparatively less experienced person, but he is very aggressive. His achievement target in the last 10 years is very fantastic. Whom will you choose? One by one. Kevin, you can start with your opinion. Then I will come one by one.
So I think I'll go with the less experienced person, sir, because
Okay.
that way we can utilize the money in other fields as well. So since you said he's really aggressive in a good way, so we'll be paying a lesser amount for a person who can do an equivalent job in achieving this in marketing and achieving the sales target, I feel.
Okay. Yes, Steffi, your decision. Steffi.
Yes, I would agree with Kevin because as long as the work is done and that too it will be cost efficient also. So I would, yes, I can hear me. Am I audible?
Yes, audible. Yes, I'm able to hear.
Yeah, I would agree with what Kevin said because at the end of the day we are looking at a person who will do the job and it is also going to be cost efficient. So yeah, I would
Okay.
choose a person who is
Yes. Yes. Steffi and Kevin. Okay, all other friends, please listen. Everything is related to decision making. Later we will see the conceptual thing. Okay, Steffi and Kevin. So actually, HR manager, they want to save the cost for the company. Okay, and I said they are also aggressive little bit. The 10 years experience they are achieved. Okay, so they are preferring only the less experienced person because he can work for only 25% of the salary for the next person. That is the thing. Now my question is, chief marketing officer position is not for selling. We have to drive the sales. We have to brand. We have to position. We have to develop the market. Okay, so the person should have the enough experience who handled a lot of people, lot of challenges, lot of issues, lot of changes, lot of merger and acquisition. Okay, the person with the 10 years of experience may be comfortable in selling. If I have a product, if you have a customer, he can sell. But sometimes what will happen in some other company, the demand will be high, but the production may be less. The production is good, demand is good, the logistics, transportation may have a problem. At this situation, the person with the less experience, how they can manage? And I am not asked you to save the money. Dear HR manager, I ask you to find a better person. I'm just saying this is the experience, this is their expected salary package. Okay, what made you to decide for the lesser package? Yes, this is the question to Kevin and Steffi. I will come back. Alina and Christina, what is your opinion? First, Alina. Do you have the difference of opinion? Don't change your opinion. Whatever the decision you made, please say that only.
So first, in my mind, the lesser salaried person came because of the cost efficiency.
Okay.
Then after what you said, I think we should choose the person with more experience because that will be more beneficial for the company and for the future prospects too.
So you immediately changed your decision. When the question is asked, you immediately change your decision. Okay. That means that after I said you are believing, okay, you are believing the person is having more experience will perform good. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Alina, after 2 years from our college, you are going to sit for an interview. Assume that Christina is HR. Okay. And I am an experienced person with a 10 years of experience in sales. Christina will not choose you because you have less experience.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are a candidate, madam.
Oh,
Oh, please understand the question. You are going to sit for the interview. Okay. As per your statement, Christina decided to take the experienced person. That is Ravindran.
Okay.
I am demanding for 20 lakh. You are just demanding for 5 lakh. As a fresher, you are demanding only for 5 lakh. But as per Alina's statement, Christina preferred Ravindran, ready to pay 4 times the salary. She is going to reject you. Will you be happy?
no, sir, I won't be.
Please convince Christina. So Christina, now you are a HR manager. Alina, you have to speak and convince. Why?
Okay. Good morning. I'm
Good
Alina.
afternoon.
Sorry, good afternoon. I'm Alina, and I might not have that much experience like Mr. Ravindran, but I do my best to achieve what the company is expected of me to, and I'll be hardworking and persistent.
Yeah, Christina, what is your decision? Actually, you preferred me earlier. Okay, I have 10 years of experience. Even I am ready to. Even you are how to spend 4 times. But as per Alina's earlier statement, you decided to take me. Now Alina is telling no, I also will work good. So what is your decision? So
Sir,
here, friends, don't answer for my suggestion or other suggestion. Whatever your brain says, please say that. We are going to check how our decision is changing. Please don't do for this forum. Okay, it's our learning only. There nothing is right or wrong. Yes, dear Christina.
sir, actually, when you first asked the question, even I was about to choose for a less experienced person, not exactly because of the cost efficiency, but rather a person who has just completed his education may have a better, fresher ideas. And experience is important, but only when a person starts working, they will get any further experience. So I think I'll go for a new person to give him a chance. Mostly,
Christina,
I'll
you
do
are
that.
not running charity to give a chance to give a job to all. You are a HR manager. Don't feel like a charity, okay? It is not your company.
But sir,
Yes.
yes, sir. But you also said that person, the new person, had a very good resume. He had good talents and all that. So I'll look at that also. Not just because I want to give that person a. Always, I think fresher ideas, new ideas, something everybody prefers. So
Okay,
I
so
think
after
I'll go for
Alina
that.
said, you have to change your mind. Okay, now you have to speak like you need only experienced Ravindran.
Okay.
You have to speak like that. But Alina is telling, so please answer to her.
Okay. Alina, I think all your points are pretty valid, and but for our current position, since it's a senior position, we are looking for somebody a little more experienced in the field because the responsibilities are way higher. So I think we'll go for the other person.
Alina, you have to respond. Don't say thank you, madam. You are sitting for the interview. You have to get the job.
But ma'am, actually, I will try my level best, and whatever you expect me to do, I do it. I'll try.
We can't answer like this. Whatever I will expect one day 1,000 crore you have to sell. Can you do? Don't say that whatever you expect. I expect you to jump from the top floor. Will you do?
No.
Then why you are using the word whatever you want to do, I will do. We are not here for that.
Ma'am, apart from that, I also have the fresher ideas, new ideas. I'll contribute whatever I can do.
We are not conducting competition, madam. We are running a company. No, I am Christina assistant, so I am then and there I am speaking from my advice. Okay. Yes, please. Be aggressive. You need a job.
Okay.
Okay, so Kevin and Steffi already supported Alina's case. Okay, they want to get a person with a less salary, with a less experience. Okay, so Kevin, Steffi, Christina, all are in board. Okay, Christina is against Alina in favor of Ravindran, but Kevin and Steffi are favor of Alina for the case. So can you please justify and convince Christina? Kevin?
Yes, sir. So I think Arina should be given the job because, like, uh, since she's a fresher and just come in, she'll be having a variety of new ideas compared to Ravindran sir. So I think the way she convinced herself.
She not convinced. When we say no job, she is just smiling.
She's at least shown a slight effort. So I think if we give her the opportunity, she'll be able to express herself fully. And since she just graduated, I think her mindset and thinking will be better for the current market.
Okay. Yes, Steffi, can you please add some points?
I think she should be taken because she's a fresher. She'll have more enthusiasm to do the work because she wants that job. So she would she would be more into the job. Like she would do whatever we would give her in order she stays in there.
So actually, you are looking for a servant, not for a manager. Whatever you want to say, she has to do. Is it so?
No, but she'll do the job with more enthusiasm.
Okay. I say that I am looking for marketing. They should be so much aggressive. They should take decision on their own. They should not work under supervision. But the fresher always, they are from the college or school. They will always follow the timetable, schedule, okay, discipline. This thing will not work out in marketing. Steffi, don't agree. Please argue.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's what
Okay. Thank you, dear friends. Just I am getting some few ideas from you. Okay. Thank you. You can switch off your videos. Okay. I'll be calling the next set of people. Yes. So now I am calling is Kenneth. Kenneth, please switch on your video. Kenneth. Yes, Kenneth. Welcome, Kenneth. So students, feel free. We are not going so much conceptual. I just want to get your feel. Okay, so Angel Sebastian. Moumita Kosmi. Ashwin A. Kumar. So these 4 people, please switch on your video so that I can able to spotlight you. Yes, Kenneth, Dan. Yes. Spotlight. Okay. Yes, Ashwin A. Kumar. Welcome. How are you?
Welcome. Fine, sir.
Yes, welcome, Angel. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, you are not a fresher.
I know.
Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, Kenneth, Moumita, Ashwin, and Angels. Okay, we are of a different case. Okay. If 4 people are going for shopping. Okay, so 4 people are going for shopping. So assume that you are going for buying some garments for you. Okay. So please note down the questions. Please note down the question or remember the question. The first question. Okay. While in a purchase, will you prefer to go alone and decide alone about your dress? When you want to purchase a dress for you, will you wish to go alone? Even we can go with the friends or relatives, but in the shopping time, whether you go individually to choose or whether you take some people with you. Okay, this is the first one. First question. Are you getting the point? While going for a purchase, especially in a dress, okay, for you, garments, will you prefer to go alone or you want to take some people with you? Number 2. After the purchase, so I am a marketing person. Sorry, I will give only marketing example. Okay. So after the purchase, you started using the dress. For example, it may be your birthday or your Christmas or a Diwali. So first thing, whether you go to a mirror, don't samalify. I will ask different questions. So whatever comes to your heart, please answer. Don't tell for the forum. Okay. First thing, whether will you go to your mother or father or a friend or a relative to show them how it looks, or whether you run to the mirror to check how you look. What is the first thing? Whether after wearing the dress, whether you go to the mirror to check first, or you will just ask for somebody's review about it. Number 2. Number 3, you are coming to the college, assumption. Okay, first day, first show, maybe sooner. You are coming, the first thing, when you enter with a lot of happiness that you have a very good, nice dress, different dress, but unfortunately, when you enter into the room, nobody is appreciating your dress and nobody is recognizing you. Okay, nobody is recognizing you. What will be your feeling? 4th, after 3 months, you have to go for shopping. Okay, will you choose the same type of dress or will you change the style? Are you getting a point? Again, I'm repeating the first one. When you go for a purchase of a dress, will you go alone? Will you purchase and decide alone? Or will you take somebody with you to purchase? Number 2, after wearing the dress in your home or in a demo room. Okay, so demo room means only the first thing is a mirror. Okay, assumption there is no mirror. Okay, when you're coming out, whether you show to your friends or relatives or well-wishers, or first you will go and check with the mirror whether you are fit or not. Number 2. Third one, you are coming to the college. Okay, if there is no appreciation, what's your mindset? 4th one, if you're going again to the same shop, will you prefer the same dress, same style? I'm not saying the same color, etc. The same style of purchase, or will you change the purchase process? Yes. So to Momita. So please answer it fast. Yes, yes. Please answer from your heart because it speaks about our decision making. Yes.
Sir, for the first question, I'll say that sometimes first I'll go for a research like what type of dresses are found. Basically, frankly to say, sir, I'm not so acquainted with the various dressing styles and all. So first I'll go for checking like what kind of styles are there. Then I'll literally ask my mother about what she prefer. Then because at the end, my preference will also matter about that because I'll be wearing the dress. So then I'll do a research and then I'll go and buy it alone because ultimately I have to wear it. And if I'm not happy, then it is a total waste of spending so much money and buying a dress. So after buying the dress, when I come home, if I wear it, first of all, I'll look into the mirror. If I'm happy with that, then I'll go and ask my mom, how does it look? So, and again, for the third question, when I asked, like after coming to college, if no one is appreciate your dress, it's fine with me because like I don't expect too much of appreciation. Like the one who likes it originally, genuinely will come and appreciate, or if nobody appreciate, it's fine. One or every day, it's not necessary that you need to be appreciated. But
I'm not asking every day, first show, first class.
Okay, sir, it's never mind even if I'm not appreciated, but it depends on how happy I am wearing the dress. Because I like the style, I wore it and I'm happy for that. So that's my opinion, sir. And if for the next time when I go for shopping, since I already have the same style of dress, so I'll obviously go for a different kind of dress.
Okay, thank you. Yes, next, Ashwin. Ashwin. Fast, Ashwin. Yes. Unmute, Ashwin.
Sir, in terms of purchasing a dress, I will definitely not go alone because my taste in selecting the dress is really bad. If it is on the base of electronics and something, I would have definitely choose on my preference. So in this case, I will definitely take my mother, and because she knows better that which type of dress suits me. And till now also it has happened the same manner. We always go together. And second question is that once as my mother has chosen, and so definitely I will look at the mirror and see my preference that it's suiting me or not, and is it comfortable for
Ashwin, you
me?
already said that you have no preference, you have no taste. Then why you are checking? Your mother
No,
said
sir.
fantastic.
No, sir.
Your mother said
Not that.
fantastic.
No, sir. Not that preference, sir. I will just it's like once selecting that material, I will just look at the mirror and it's just I see that is it suiting me? Is that dress is suiting me?
Ashwin, there are two people. Okay, mother just filtered you. Okay, so okay, filter the dress. Next, right side is mirror, left side is your dearest friend. You have the two options. You can turn to the left to your friend, or you can turn to the right to see the mirror. Which one you will prefer? Dearest friend.
Sir, definitely the mirror.
Mirror. Why?
Sir, because I want to know how it's looking.
Already you said, sir, you have no taste and proper preferences. Then how you can judge on your own? Only mother only know. Mother only take all the dress for you. Mother only know everything.
Yes, sir.
Next to mother, it should be a friend or someone else, right?
Sorry, sir, not your voice is not clear.
No. Next to mother, you should check with some other friends or relatives, right? Because already you told that you are not good at it.
No, sir. After after the consulting of the mother, I will definitely look for my preference.
Okay. Yes, proceed.
So then, so going to a college when you are not being recognized by some other persons. So, sir, I will just look on the face of the people, like is they are laughing on me or they are not recognizing me. So if they are laughing on me, that means that that dress is like looking funny on me. So if it's a problem. Then if they are not recognizing me, they are very cool minded, then I will not have any problem, because that dress is comfortable for me, and it's all about the comfortability of our own personal appearance. And sir, so what was the fourth question?
If you are coming to the college, okay, so nobody is appreciating. What's your opinion? The last one is if you are going for so with these three experience, again you are going for a purchase, will you change the mode? Because whatever the decision made by you, whatever the decision made by mother is not accepted in the society.
Sir,
it's not accepted by the society. You may be a very fantastic person, a handsome person for your mother, but when you come to the new environment, they dislike you. They dislike your dress. So you understood that your taste and preference of mother is not suiting for this college.
Okay.
So you have to adapt according to the college, right? So next time you are going to the shop, will you change the preference of mother and you choose some other person to choose for you, or will you stick on to the mother's opinion?
Okay, sir, I want to just clarify that when I'm going to the college, is they are coming and telling me that this dress is not suiting you, or they are just trying to be normal, like they're not recognizing
No, sir. If you come into the class, that itself you can able to judge whether they are seeing our dress or not. There is no need to tell. We are able to identify their opinion from there.
Okay. So that only I've said that if they are just if they are not looking at me, then it's okay. If they're making fun of me and they are laughing at me, then it's a problem. So definitely, if they are the peoples are very normal, they are doing their own work, they are not.
Assume that they are making fun of you.
Okay, then definitely, sir, I will go and
says, no, Ashwin, this is very good for you. These people don't know about you. You looks very handsome in this. That is mother's opinion. Will you go with the mother's opinion or?
No, sir, no. Then if the lot of people are coming and just laughing on me, you are looking like like you are funny, then definitely I will change my preference.
Okay, very good. So thank you. Kenneth, sorry, Angel.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For going for my shopping, normally I just follow my own opinion, and just for a second opinion, I just ask my brother's opinion or something. When I am in home, I just carry my brother or mother for the second opinion only. First, there is my preference is the first thing for me. And now
if you feel that whatever the dress you are wearing is perfect, when you go for a second opinion, they are saying that it's completely waste. What will be your decision?
No. That's not
like.
You
respect your decision or other decision?
Always in my life, always my decisions, everything that will be right. There will be no change in my decisions, and just for the second opinion, I just consider my family and my friends.
If the second opinion is completely opposite to your opinion, what will you do?
there will be no chance that arises like that. Always
Hereafter it will arise like that assumption.
like that. I just think twice. Is it is right or not? I just rethink once more. Then I will follow a decision.
Because Ashwin clearly told, if the 10 to 20 people are making fun of me, then I can't go with the mother's perception, because mother perception is very limited.
Yeah.
Her exposure is very limited. So if there are around 20 to 30 people are giving a negative feedback, then I have to change.
Yeah, we have to change. That's right. Because other people's, if there are 10 persons, they have 10 opinions and they have 10 visions also. So we have to rethink and we have to take another decision. We have to think about that also. Not every time our perspective is always not correct and all. We have to think.
But you started with your statement, you will be always right. Just to
Yeah,
that you will go for a second opinion.
My life from coming to these kinds of decisions and all, there will be no change for that. There is no need for changing at all, because others are also accepting my decisions and all in my going through life and all. So that will be okay. And if I take a decision and also my family are also supporting, if we know that our family will support if it is not right or not, and also our teachers, family members, and also. In that, if they are supporting us, that means that is right. Our decisions are also right.
Okay, move to the next question.
Okay, and second question was like that, if we wear that dress going to mirror or to others, right? So I will firstly see myself, how I'm looking in that dress and also how it appears like that. After that, I just move out and ask my parents, friends, and others to how it's like that. First of all, I have to see myself and how it is like that. And I'm moving to the third question. If they are not appreciating me, that doesn't matter. Because I know I'm okay, that's fine. And also I have taken decisions from the parents and friends. They're also supporting me. So if one or two persons are not accepting that, that doesn't matter. And but if they are not appreciating, I will think why it happens. So we have to think their perspective also. So I will think in their point of view also. And if there arises so many kind of problems, and if I have to change that decision, I will definitely change that decision. If it matters, if there is any value in that point of view or that decision, I have to change.
Okay, so okay, thank you.
Our point of view is not right. Okay,
Yes, Kenneth.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the first question, I usually go alone to buy clothes. Yeah. So the second one, obviously, so I'll just look at the mirror, and if I like the dress, I'll just buy it.
Okay.
Yeah. So third one, I usually don't care about what other people think about my clothes.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter what they tell. I like it, so I just wear it. It's my comfortability. Yeah, the fourth one, if I like the clothes, the same design or pattern, I might prefer to buy the same thing. I wouldn't change it.
Okay, fine. So these four people, please stay on. Okay, so Aarti. Aarti is here.
Yes, sir, yes.
Aarti, please switch on your video. So, Aarti, yes. So Aarti, I hope that, so please, dear students, I believe that all are listening. Okay, every presentation is related to any people. Angel, please switch on your video. Okay, so everybody has to listen. I will call any person. Okay. Yes, Aarti, you listen to the four different people, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you please judge them based on their opinion? Okay. Who will be suitable for financial management position? Earlier we spoke about marketing. Okay, so now we have to think about a very important one for the company is called as financial management. Okay. So according to you, among the four, which one will be suitable for the financial position for the company? Maybe a profit head. So don't think about a normal executive. They are doing a data entry. They are not an MBA executive. Okay. I'm thinking like auditing level. Okay.
I think Kenneth K. John is preferred because he was very firm with his decision.
Okay.
And he was very, what to say, like he stuck with his decision and he was very confident with it. So I think he's a very good decision maker. And also
for a decision maker, I'm asking for financial.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, so now I will ask you a question. It's for all. Okay, so finance person is the person who has to get the feedback from all the department, marketing department, HR department, IT department, even from the shareholder, stakeholder, customers. Okay, so he actually looks for the profit of the company, profit of the shareholder. So as you perceived, Kenneth is adamant person. I'm using a negative word. Okay, he can be a straightforward. Even you, all the people will say your account is wrong. He will say, I know how to do the accounting. I am right. No, Kenneth, if you invest like this, if you give the money, it will end up in the loss. But Kenneth perceive that no, it will give a profit. He won't listen to anyone. He believes that whatever decision he taken is right. Madam, this is about money.
Sir, when he was purchasing the dress, he was purchasing it for himself, not for others. So at the end of the day, he was happy with it. So why should he care about others? So when it comes to others,
This means it's for him. No problem. That is his personal decision. Okay, so if I want you to buy a car for you, you might be choosing a different car. But I'm saying, okay, you coming to the college, okay, we all people will put 10,000 rupee. Okay, assumption. Okay, all the each and every student can put 10,000 rupees. We can go and buy a car. What car you will be deciding for all, whether it is the same as the car what you are going to buy for you. Will it be the same?
no, that time we should change, like everybody should agree. If he
So,
doesn't agree,
according to you, as Kenneth is going for purchasing a personal dress, it's okay. It is not going to harm others.
yes.
But when you are taking the same person for the company, he is adamant. Even you recruited him. You are telling, Kenneth, please adjust with the people. Please listen to the supervisor. Please check with her. No, sir. No, Aarti. I am right. If he say like that, will you accept?
No, I wouldn't.
Then?
I would ask him to think about others because here it is not.
I won't think, Kenneth will say, I won't think about anyone. I believe that my decision is right. I educated from the very reputed institution. I know things better than others.
But here it's about like the whole company, sir. So he should agree. I think he will get convinced.
Yes, Kenneth, you understood the situation. Now, Arati is coming to you. Kenneth, please change your behavior. Please listen to all. Don't take your own decision. Will you stay in the company or will you move out of the company?
That I'm confused, sir.
Assumption, per month they are giving 2 lakhs.
Fine, sir. But the financial decision is basically what I decide. Like, I also do my work, so I know what's best for the company. I'm given the post because of my skills and my management and stuff. So I don't think I have to change everything, but I'll just check whether if they're right or wrong.
Everybody is saying you are wrong. Even you are right, everybody is saying you are wrong.
Then I might consider changing the company, sir. Because if they don't like me, I don't feel like I'm like better on the company, I might change it.
So next company, if you are going, they are giving only 20,000 salary, 2 lakh per month. You have to move to the next company. They like you because you are autocratic, you are taking your own decision. Very good. They are ready to give 20,000 rupees salary. Will you go?
So if I'm like reputed, like if I'm a manager, I don't think my salary reduced to like such a extent. 20,000, I don't think that's
because
possible.
none of the company is ready to give 2 lakhs because you are adamant.
Then what do I say?
Whether you change the company or you will change yourself.
Might change the company, or I might start from that company again to rise to a new good position.
Okay. So thank you. It's just for brainstorming. Nothing is right or wrong. Okay, just to get the things. Okay, thank you all. Okay, so next, Janice, Paul Sebi, Spashna, Vivian. So please switch on your videos. Fast. Momita, you can switch off. Okay. Janesh is here. Janesh. Okay. Sarah Paul. Okay, fine. I'm just making a spotlight. Okay, so just please wait. Okay, fine. Yes, so for all the 4 people, okay, I'm asking the same question. So please note down so the same question is for all, okay, dear students. I cannot ask the same question to all the people to speak. I'm just asking few people, okay. The same question to all, so you have to answer within yourself. Okay, later I will ask you at the later stage. Okay, so there are 2 words. There are 2 words in decision making. One is emotional decision and rational decision. One is emotional decision, another one is rational decision. Emotional decision means always we listen to our heart. Rational decision means we always listen to our brain. You're getting the point? So the decision making which involves more and more thinking, logical reasoning is called as rational decision making. The person always look for love, affection, care for people. Okay, considering the situation, he will listen to all. Immediately, he will not take decision. That is called as emotional decision. He looks for preferences, looks for love and care. Okay, you yourself evaluate you. It's not only in terms of purchasing a dress, not only in terms of working, not only in terms of recruiting a person, not only in selecting your friends, selecting your channel partner or life partner, whatever it may be, you will take 10 criteria. Just to analyze whether you are a emotional decision maker or rational decision maker. Mostly, everybody will have some part of emotional, some part of rational. That's fine. Okay, according to you, just for example, if you have 100 point means, just to rate you, how much point for emotional decision making, how much point for rational decision making? Just to take few seconds, okay? You just to consider for personal purchase, selecting a friends, buying a home, buying a car, selecting a job. There are various decisions we have to make. Are you getting a point? So we have to think one by one. Okay, so I'm just rating, and this is all for self-analysis. Dear friends, you have to ask question among yourself just to self-evaluate how you are a decision maker. Okay, Sarah, can you please rate yourself? How much percentage for emotional? How much percentage for rational? Unmute and please speak.
Yeah, sir, I think I'll be taking decision on both bases, because emotionally I have to take others into consideration, what others.
Please answer to the question. You have to answer only 2. How much percentage of emotional decision making you will take? How much percentage of rational decision making? For example,
Yeah.
I can say, sir, always I will think and decide. Whenever I have how to make a decision, I will think. I am not sentimental. I won't be attracted by any environment. That means I am 100% rational.
Okay, so I have to choose only one, not.
Yeah, no, both percentage, 100%, 30%, 80%.
Yeah, I think I'll take 50 emotionally and 50% rationally.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, Paul.
So I think I will be about 70% rational decision and 30% emotional.
30% emotional, 70% rational. Okay. Yes, Vivian.
So I'll be 70% rational and 30% emotional.
Okay, just to reverse. Okay. Sparshna.
Yeah, so I'm more of an emotionally thinking person, so I would say I am more 78% rational thinking and 60 approx emotionally thinking. I'm sorry, the other way. Emotionally, I would say 78%, and rationally, I would say 60 approx.
Okay, so you are also actually similar to Nivian, right? You are more emotional than rational. Fine. So have this assumption. Okay. So now I will be asking some question. Then you just check which is suitable for you. Okay. Again, I'm asking this different set of questions. Okay. While you going for purchasing a product for your home, maybe a refrigerator, maybe a television, maybe a dress, maybe a whatever it may be is useful for your family. Okay. First thing, you will see the price or that design and other aesthetic things. One by one you can say. For example, I fix it as a refrigerator. You are going to buy a refrigerator, okay? What is the first thing you will ask to the retailer? Sarah, when you enter into the outlet?
Sir, about the refrigerator, like various refrigerators nowadays have that stars and all those things.
Okay.
So I will check about that stars and the energy efficiency
Okay.
about the refrigerator and also the price of the
Okay.
refrigerator.
So you have to say only top 5, okay? Please think, while selecting a refrigerator, you have to say only top 5. Already stars, you'll be looking for stars, you'll be looking for efficiency, you'll be looking for price. Then balance 2.
And about and also about the cooling
Very
thing.
good, very good, very good. Then last one.
Last.
All dear friends, please just write and practice, okay? You have to think along with us. Just to evaluate your decision making. Yes.
Yeah, last I think about the space. How much space it takes.
Okay, size. Space or space inside. Okay, refrigerator. Okay, capacity. Okay, good. Yes, Paul Sebi. Unmute, sir.
Capacity, price of the product, then maybe the energy efficiency.
Okay.
Maybe brand name, and then at last maybe the design of it.
Fourth one. What is the fourth one?
Brand name.
Sir, price, efficiency,
capacity, brands.
Okay.
And maybe the aesthetic lens. Like
okay, design. I will take it as a design. Okay, fine. Yes, Vivian.
So first I'll look at the storage capacity.
Okay.
So how much capacity it can store. And second is the efficiency and the cooling part.
Okay.
And third, I'll ask for the price.
Okay.
I mean, third, I'll look for the brand, which brand it is.
Okay.
And fourth, I'll ask for the price.
Okay.
And fifth, I'll look for how much, like how many stars it has.
Stars.
Yeah.
Fine. Good. Spashna?
So first I'll go with the space and the length, breadth and all that measurements.
Okay.
Because if you are to install it in your home, you need to know what space in this particular space will it be apt. So I'll check for that. I'll check for the measurements and then I'll go with the star rating.
Okay.
And then the space.
Okay.
And then the design.
Okay.
First. And then the energy efficiency. Yeah, that's it.
Efficiency. Okay, fine. So please all of you check if you return or if you are able to remember, okay, all the persons are rationally deciding. Okay, so even it is a star or efficiency, both are same. So it depends upon the electricity consumption. It is called as a rating. So you are looking for saving money in terms of usage of electricity. Mostly everybody is telling. And mostly everybody is telling about a price. Correct? You are a rational thinker. One refrigerator is 20,000 rupees. Another similar refrigerator is only 15,000 rupees. When you may shift to 15,000 rupees. We are looking for a price. And you are looking for a size. You are looking for a capacity. You are looking for a space. You are looking for futures mostly. That shows that out of 5, nearly 80% you are all thinking rationally. And only 1 or 2 places they say about the design. Okay, and somebody used the word called aesthetic, but that is not the first one, that may be the last one or somewhere else. Okay, so how many people said I am looking for a red color refrigerator? I am looking for the front should be a transparent one and it should have this much design. handle should be like this. None of them spoke about that. Even you are speaking about a design or something else, you are speaking about a capacity or a size. So now revert you. So the first one, whether you are, Sarah, whether you are 50% rational, emotional, you are mostly rational. Number two, yes, Paul, again, you are also rational, but you are telling one word called brand. I don't know to define branding. Okay. And Vivian is also mostly rational. Where is the content of emotions?
But sir, I think for purchasing fridge emotionally, like color, and that is not really necessary, right?
Dear Sarah, if I am going to use a pen or a chocolate or a biscuit, I am just going to buy and throw it out maybe in a week. But if I am going to buy a refrigerator, I am going to keep for at least 10 years. Whoever enter into the house, they won't ask me how many star it is, how many space it is. First they will tell, fantastic refrigerator. Okay, where you are going to keep your refrigerator? Whether you keep inside your kitchen or in your hall, where you keep normally, Sarah?
In kitchen.
In kitchen. So if somebody is entering into the kitchen, they are saying that, why you bought this refrigerator? It's not looking so good. How do you feel? Because the external person won't bother about the futures or other things, how many electricity you are going to pay. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, fine. Yes, Paul, the same question to you. Because we are going to use the product for 10 years, dear friend.
Yeah.
If you are going to invest at least 20,000 or 30,000 rupees. I am not speaking about the lower end fridge. 20,000, 30,000.
Yeah. Sir?
Yes, please tell me. So you won't look into these futures or the external look, design, color.
Yeah, that's what I said about the style.
Just one point.
Yeah, just one point.
That is enough for you.
Because, yeah, that's what the fridge is like a family product, right? So everyone's opinion does matter.
Okay. Yes, Vivian?
Is that emotional aspect?
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I'll probably look at the color. Like you only ask for 5 points, right? So
yes, I asked the top 5 points. I am asking top 5 points.
So sir, if it's top 5 points, the last point will be color and everything, design for me. Because
assumption, I'm giving you a refrigerator, complete yellow color.
No. I want full black. So
no, I will be giving only complete yellow color. Okay. Will you buy?
No, I won't buy.
But the price is only 10,000 rupees. It is having very good cooling. Okay, but the finishing is not okay. One side it is extending, one side is small, and one leg is short, one leg is high. But the refrigeration is very nice. Price is very less. Electricity consumption is very good. You can able to save 500 rupees from the refrigerator. But it is looked like a damaged refrigerator when you are looking. Will you buy?
Then I won't accept.
Why, sir?
So because it looks like a damaged goods and.
But it is satisfying 4 other criteria.
Yeah, but still, I'll prefer the color which looks nice.
Okay, Vivian. What is the color you are looking for?
Black.
Okay, sir. I'm ready to give a black color refrigerator. Very aesthetic, very appealing. But sorry, it will not fit most of your vessels.
So can I get both?
And the black is a highly demanded product. I have only one piece. So the cost is very high, 40,000 rupees. Other colors are only 25,000.
So I'll look for a different brand because you're not providing me with either the.
Yes.
You're not providing me with. No, because you're not providing me with either with the color or the efficiency. I want both, right? Like when you buy a product, you want both efficiency and both the color. So you're not providing me with anything. So I'll look for a different brand. I don't want to buy from your brand.
So you also list the brand. What is the brand you are looking for?
LG.
LG. Yeah. So you are assume that your brand loyal to LG, as they are not giving a proper color. For example, you are looking for black color. I am giving yellow color. Will you go to some other refrigerator?
So not yellow. Maybe if you give me a blue color, I can reconsider.
So you have an option, right? Whatever
Yeah, I have
I'm
option.
saying, I'm not giving.
Oh, then I won't buy your fridge. I don't want.
So what is the loyalty you are having towards the brand?
If they're not giving me what I want, then.
So there is another refrigerator called Paul Sebi refrigerator. It is a blue or black in color. Will you buy? Manufactured from Africa.
No. No, I won't.
You won't. Okay. Yes. Sparshna?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what happened to you? You also said that I am 70% emotional.
I was just, on the basis of the questions you previously asked, that's how I rated myself. Like, if I am to go shopping with my, I usually go shopping with my family. So I get my first opinion is from my mother. So I was, rating myself on the basis of the questions you asked.
Okay, fine. So these are the few questions we went for a brainstorming. Okay, so now all of you, please. So thanks for the people who supported me for the discussion. So thank you to all, and all the people, please switch on your videos. Now we are actually going to the decision making. As we had a long discussion, straight away I'm going to the decision making. I will be a little bit fast, so please listen to it. Later I will call any person. Aline, Sarah, are you okay? Yes. Okay. Yes. So I given a rest.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just for relaxation. I'm not given a rest. Okay, fine. Yes, all please switch on your videos. Okay. All please switch on your videos. I'll be running the slide. In between, I may call anyone, or at the end, I will call anyone. So please be active. So please tell me whether the slide is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I will be moving the slide. I will be speaking continuously, but you all please switch on your videos. Okay. Yes. So decision making is the process of selecting a course of action from among alternatives. That is the definition for decision making. So we have an objective. It may be a personal objective, or a common objective, or a societal objective, or a national objective, or whatever it may be. We have a lot of ways, we have a lot of steps, a lot of variety of methods. Among that, you have to choose one. That is called as a decision making. It is a definition. Okay. So every day we will be deciding n number of things. Okay. Now what I have to do, whether I have to switch on my video or not. Okay. The sir may be calling my name, whether I have to switch on my video or not. Next hour, I have to decide something. After the class, what I have to do, whether I have to take a water, whether I have to sleep, whether I have to do something, whether I have to think, we have to decide. What I have to do tomorrow, what dress I have to use, what time I have to wake up, what is my next day plan. Next year most probably you will be in the time you are going to for the internship. Okay, so for internship you have to work for 3 to 6 months for searching for the company. What will be planned for next year, whether you decided. What is my next life, college life too, my career, my job, I have to decide. Okay, and some decision can be for me, only me. It is for my dress, my pen, my decision, my wish. Some decision we have to make for the family. Some decision we have to make for a friend. So you please think about all the examples what we discussed. Some decision we have to make for the society. As I discussed, even I filtered a dress from my family and other relatives. When I walked in the road, if nobody is appreciating me or everybody is making fun of me, whether I have to make the decision, the same decision, or I have to change the decision. And whatever decisions I have to act as a good citizen. Whether I am so patriotic, whether I am doing everything for the country, or whether I am looking for me. After the job, whether I am going to contribute something to the nation in some way. And irrespective of a personal or relative or a friend, for a general human being, what are the things I have to do? These are the decisions also we have to make day by day. Okay, and some example. What to have for the dinner? You have to decide. Yes, may not be decided by you, it may be made by others, but you have to decide whether you have to take or you have to go for a hotel for the same. And if some test is conducted, so usually you heard about this online test. Okay, you have an option. Nobody can monitor. I am not asking you to switch on your videos. Now also the same thing is happening. I am not going to switch on the videos. What you will do? Whether you seriously write down the points or whether you try to cheat. That is your decision. It is unknown to the world. And whether I have to go out or stay inside during the lockdown. We made a lot of decisions, right? So we'll be seeing a lot of the cases. Okay, at that time in a fear we may not go out. After a certain period of time, it is okay. Even assume that you infected and you recovered. Okay, so earlier other people infected, so you are not going out, so you are very careful. But now what has happened? You infected, you recovered, so there is no chance of any risk. At that time, whether you will go out, you know very well that may be not good for others. Whether you cared for that, if the police is not watching, if the other people are not commenting, what is your decision you made during the pandemic time? And if you are going for selecting a job after MBA, whether you want to start your own venture, new venture, or whether you want to go for salary. If some birthday come, if the marriage something come for a friend, what you have to gift? That is the biggest challenging decision nowadays we are facing. Okay, it's not about the money, it's not about the size, it's about the per second or 10-second satisfaction. Whatever we are giving, they are going to remember only for a few seconds. If it is very valuable, they are going to keep in home. Out of 10,000 gifts, they may be keeping only 5 or 6. We may not be that part of the gift. Even though how much time and effort we are putting in selecting a gift, we have to take some decisions. Okay, the same way we should take a lot of decisions. So while taking a decisions, even a small thing or bigger level, we have to say that 5 W and 1 H in decisions. Whenever we are making decision, who has to take a decision? Whether I am taking a decision, or mother is taking a decision, or my friend is taking a decision, or retailer is taking a decision, or a teacher is taking a decision, or an employer is taking a decision. Who has to take the decision regarding me? What to take? What is the decision I have to make? If there is any change in decision with respect to the time, morning, afternoon, evening, today, tomorrow, day, night, whether my decision is going to change. If I decided to do something, when I am going to do? If I decided to make an exercise, whether I am going to do in the morning or night time, whether I am going to do in a weekend, when? And why I have to take the decision? It is for my personal thing or for the others? And other thing, in the decision-making process, how I am taking the decision, whether I am taking alone, whether I am brainstorming, whether I am collecting many news. So there are 5 W and 1 H in decision-making irrespective of that. And sometimes we have to make a decision to survive. We have to take some decision, as I said, discussed in the terms of getting a job. If you want to change, you have to change. Or if you are giving more self-respect, you have to leave. Whether you are looking for 2 lakh by losing self-respect or 20,000 with self-respect. You may be happy with 20,000 self-respect by leaving the 2 lakh job. When you go back to your home, they are expecting at least 1 lakh salary for satisfying or running a smooth family situation. But you are giving only 20,000 rupees. What is the word they are going to use on you? I spent that much, my lot of efforts, but you are able to get only 20,000. There you are going to lose the self-respect in your family, or whether you are ready to lose the self-respect in the company. That is not known to others after 5 o'clock. I can get lot of pains in my job, but in my family I am with a pleasure. Or in reverse. You have to decide. I have to decide something so that every people will love me. I want to the person who is respected by all, loved by all. Or I want to make a decision to learn something. Or my decision making is to for profit. Or my decision making is to become a leader. Or I don't. So some people said, I don't bother about anyone. I have my own interest. I will go to the mirror, whatever good to me, I will decide. Sorry, it will create a loss. Okay, I will ready to bear. Everybody will make fun of you, no problem. Even your family here, no problem. That is self-actualization. So some place, you have to like this. So it was a research says that per day, approximately 35,000 decisions, knowingly, unknowingly, consciously, unconsciously, subconsciously, we are making. Our brain is making, but most of the things we are not recognizing it. Okay. This is an exercise that we can do now. Okay. So when to take decisions, most of the decisions, whether we have to do in a hurry or we have to wait for some time. Yes, that we have to decide. Why to make decisions? We have to think whether the decision is important to take or it is not important. Mostly our decisions are based on our past experience. We call it as a halo effect. Okay, based on our past experience, even as starting with a purchase or an investment or a marriage or choosing a college or going for a job, whatever we heard or whatever we experienced, that plays a major role in decision making. That may be good or not. And each and every person is individually having some uniqueness. That individual decisions, individual difference have some relationship. And we have our own values and beliefs. Some people will have a value of self-respect. Some people will have a value of accepting others' value. Even I don't like the dress. Even it is so costly. Even I have to get a burden from the company. Others are happy. My value is to make others happy. So I am ready to take up the pain. It may be one of the options. And whether you are taking the decision rationally or emotionally. Okay, these are other things you have to consider. There are some other decisions we call as a programmed and non-programmed decisions. Okay, some decision is systematic. Some decisions are not systematic. So for example, what time you have to wake up. Even you like or not, after 8 o'clock you can't sleep. Even you like or not, after 10 o'clock you can't do comfortably working. Even you like or not, morning 9 o'clock, afternoon 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or night around 10 o'clock, we will have hungriness. We can say, please don't disturb it, but our stomach will not accept it. Okay, these are the programmed decisions. But non-programmed, we don't know. We are going to reach the train, but unfortunately the train is late or it is very early it went. Immediately we have to take a decision whether I have to get into the bus, which may be a cheaper, whether I have to get into the Ola, which may be speeder, faster. That is non-programmed. Till that moment, I have not thought about it. Suddenly, one situation came, whether you are able to make a decision. It was said that Indians are very good in making non-programmed decisions. US people are good in only programmed decisions. For them, everything should be fixed. For US people, they will book the ticket 1 month before. But what we will do, we will try to search the ticket before 1 hour. And we go to the hotel, at the time we will take the menu, we will read half an hour and we will see all the, then we will decide, non-program. But you compare with some other people in other country, what they have fixation. Even you are giving a lot of biryani and all, I want to take a tea, I will take tea. There is no impulsing will happen because the decision is programmed. When you're going for a supermarket to buy a kerchief, okay, it's maybe a 20 rupees kerchief, but where you will add it up, you might be buying 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees, something needed or unwanted product, because the coupon offer impulse to you, non-programmed. But some other people, even you are showing thousands of offer, I won't bother, I will go and take the kerchief and come out. Sometimes we will be like that. So it is called as a programmed decisions and non-programmed decisions. Other decisions are minor decisions. It's not a very big thing. Okay, so in the sugar, along with the sugar, I can take a biscuit or some other cake. It's a minor decision. So major decision, choosing a college, choosing a partner, buying a car. And routine decision, daily I am taking. So I have to take a paste, I have to take a brush, I have to brush my teeth. Routine decisions. Strategic decisions, long-term decisions. Individual, the decision should be taken by me. The decision will affect only me. That is the individual decision. This cannot be suggested by someone else. Because I am going to use and the usage will not affect others. Something group decisions, even nowadays from top to bottom, 90% what your dress, what is your pen, what should be your mobile, what should be your notebook cover, what should be your laptop. Everything may be decided by group of people. Even they say, sometimes they may not say. But before started buying a laptop, we'll just compare about our friend's laptop, its look, its color, its size means we are actually looking for group decisions. And even you are very good in choosing a Parker pen, but before buying a pen, you are just asking whether it is okay or not. After coming to the college or school, you are just checking that whether it is okay or not. Then you are looking for a group decision. I am not saying that is a good or bad. You want to evaluate what are the places you are individually deciding, what are the places you have to take group decisions. Why we are speaking about the decision making is a very important thing, because some decisions are irreversible. If you bought the refrigerator for 30,000 rupees, after coming to home, you find some fault with the handle, you cannot change. Irreversible decisions. Sometimes it can be called as a reversible. Okay, so I bought a dress, okay, maybe for around 5,000 rupees. It's not good. Next time I will change the dress. I will change the brand. I will change the retail outlet. It is a reversible. And another one is called as sometimes we have to take a quick decision. Sometimes we have to take a slow time to make a decision. Related. There is also a part of types of decision making. Another types of decision making is inactive, reactive, proactive. So whatever happened, okay, so a person that fails to make choices, okay, you give thousands of options, okay, I won't get impulsed. Whatever I want to do, I will do, or otherwise I don't choose anyone. Reactive, the person that makes decisions based on others' influences. They give more importance to other comments, other criticism, other feedback. It changes the product to product, but the persons are more reactive means they are unable to take individual decisions. Always they listen to others' feedback. Proactive, a person that analyzes the situation, then identifies, evaluates option. Okay, they also think about the people, they also think about others, but they will have forecasting. If I buy this dress, buy this pen, buy this course, buy this car, what people will think. If somebody say negative means whether I have to accept it or ignore it, I have full visualization and they will buy. So sometimes we have to be inactive, sometimes we have to be reactive, sometimes we have to be proactive. But we have to find out what category I am. As I already told, whether you are emotional or rational. Likewise, mostly whether you are inactive, mostly you are reactive, mostly you are proactive. Nothing is right or wrong. It depends upon your personality. You have to check it out. So another type we call as operational decision, tactical decision, strategical decision. It comes in the company. Okay, if you are in the lower level, bottom level as a worker or a salesman, you have to take a routine decisions. If you are in a CEO, if you are a profit, if you are a HR manager, you have to take a decision for the 20 to 30 years. Tactical middle level manager who has to convince the operational managers and also you have to convince the top level manager. So he has to listen to both. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He has to listen to both. So sometimes we have to take the decision based on our positions. Yes. So we are dividing the decision making styles. You are taking decision on their own. So by few people discussion, we are able to understand that few people are autocratic. This is my decision. I will go with it. If it is wrong, okay, no problem. You don't worry. That is my loss. Some people are consultative. Even they feel it is good, they will go for second opinion. The one person used the word called consultative, second opinion. Already I know that I am right. Then why I have to go for second opinion? No, sir. There is a chance I may do a mistake. So I will always consult with others. Third person is delegating. Okay, I know very well I can't take some decision. Okay, I will delegate to my mother. Mother know me better. I just delegated. I am not taking any responsibility of the negative or positive of the outcome. Fourth one is I am taking all the people, father, mother, sister, friend, neighbor. I will take everybody together and I will give my input also. Overall, we will come up with the decisions. That is a team decision. And again, I am saying each and every decision will be changing according to your situation, according to your position, according to your time. We cannot say always autocratic decision is good. We cannot say always consultative. So mostly if we use the word, some people will say, so team decision is always good. Consultative decision is always good. So for example, during the COVID time, so suddenly the manager has to take a decision next day, whether we have to wind up the business or we can go for a part-time shift job. The cases are increasing, it's highly risky. At that time, you cannot go and ask each and every employee, so can we come for tomorrow? Can we come for tomorrow? The 50% will say yes, 50% will say no. Again, after 10 minutes, they will change the opinion. I have to take some decision because it's a critical situation. I should be autocratic. If I want to acquire some other company, I can be consultative. I'm not going to ask all the people, all the employees, but I will pick some people. My CEO, my board of directors, my auditors, I will consult and I will decide. Team decision. So there is a two option, whether I can increase the salary of an employee or I can increase the incentive of an employee. Keeping the salary fixed, I can give the incentive based on the performance. Number two, irrespective of your performance, I can hike your salary. If this is a situation, I have to sit with all the people, lower level, middle level, top level, finance, HR, marketing, then we have to come up with a one decision. Because giving a salary is not only with the HR team or finance team. There are a lot of things, motivation, performance appraisal, everything is interrelated. It's like that. Sometimes delegation. Every people will have a personal assistant. For small things, they won't decide. They will just say, please ask my assistant. Sir, what time can I come tomorrow? Please ask my assistant. Because I don't want to focus on small decision because I'm thinking about lot of big decisions. big vision, sometimes we have to delegate the small things. So decision making styles can be different. Here, I want to say one thing, one small story. Gratification in decision making. Gratification. Always we look for immediate happiness, immediate recognition, immediate appreciation. But the psychologist and the leader says, please don't go for immediate gratification. Gratification means immediate satisfaction. If somebody say about your dress, fantastic, your face will glow. Or otherwise, you will say, what is this dress? From who you borrowed? My face will go slow. If you are like that person, you have a more gratification. Because you will react. I can disturb you. I can make you cry. I can make you smile. I can disappoint you. Because you are looking for immediate pleasure. So if you are in that situation, your decision may not be right. Always they say that if required, please delay your gratification. For example, I am keeping your ice cream in front of you. What you will do? Immediately you will take the ice cream. Or you have to wait and check what is the quality, what is the brand, whether it is suitable for my season. If you delay, and later if you are after the checking, if you are to take the ice cream, then it is a delayed gratification. First you will taste it, then you will find it is not good. You can't return the ice cream to the shopper. You can't take, whether you are going to waste the money. Mostly we people are looking for instant gratification. The picture is called as a monkey. If I show one thing, immediately you go. If I show another thing, it will go. If I show another thing. So in the discussion also you can see, whenever I am changing the words, they are ready to change their opinion. When I say this decision is fantastic, they are happy. When they say it is not possible, whether you are an MBA, they are ready to change. Because they may be looking for instant appreciation, instant gratification. That may not fit. So for this, there is one theory. There is a research done by people. It's called as a marshmallow. Marshmallow means it's a type of a cake. It's type of a sweet. I had put a picture. Okay. They made a research. Okay. They asked a few set of children. Okay, into the classroom like the setup. Okay, there are 10 people. Assumption. I'm saying there are 10 students are there. Okay, they said, dear students. Okay, dear kids. Okay, I'm keeping 10 marshmallow there. Okay, marshmallow is a cake like that. Okay, sweet. And for next to 1 hour, you can see the product, but you should not take and eat. You have two options. You can take and eat, or you have to wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour, if you not touch the product, I am ready to give another marshmallow for you. I will ready to incentivize with another cake, sweet. It was said. From the research, after 1 hour, it was found that nearly out of 10 people, for an example, 8 kids taken the product. They are unable to control it. After 1 hour, they gave one piece extra to the 2 kids, one each. They feel happy, they are taking 2. At the time, these people already they consumed the cake, but still they are looking for another cake. They forget about the satisfaction they got in consuming the first cake. The second people, the 2 people who waited for nearly 1 hour, now they are double pleasure. This is one example. But they continuously made a survey with this set of people. Okay, those who people look for instant gratification, immediate. Sir, why I have to wait for next day? What we know in the COVID situation, who is going to live tomorrow, day after tomorrow? Don't worry, sir. Please give it. I will consume. No, sir, it's just raining. Don't take ice. Let us see, sir. If you are a person, they have surveyed that those who are having instant gratification to take the chocolate or biscuit immediately for the immediate pleasure, their growth level, their family, their earning is comparatively less. The person who waited for that 1 hour and they are ready to get the incentivization double, and their career, their decision, their position, earning, satisfaction life is more. It's a survey, it has happened before a more number of years. But what is the conclusion? They are saying that the person who is looking for instant satisfaction, instant appreciation, instant decision may suffer. So in the decision making, some decision making may be urgent decision making. For that, there is no need to wait. we have to take the immediate decision. But for some decision making, we have to wait. That they call it as analyze and paralyze the decision making. Okay, as I said, okay, sir, gratification. Yes, you have to keep the word of gratification. We have to think more. We have to wait. Okay, we should not be immediately responding. Don't take the word just like that. Next, we are using a word called analyze and paralyze. Earlier, used the word called the emotional and rational. So, who are all the rational thinkers? They will ask 1,000 questions. They will browse. They will ask friends. They will ask relatives. They will ask retailer. They will see all the advertisement. They will ask about future, benefit, price, etc., etc., etc. Then they will buy. Who are emotional buyers? Sir, I like black color, sir. Price is okay. I will buy. Emotional buyers. So there is another concept in the decision making. What they are selling? Analyze, paralyze. That means that if you are going on asking thousands of questions, if you are going on getting lot of data, finally you can't decide. That is called as overloading information. You can see the picture. Okay. If the rabbit is given with this much of option, what will it do? It won't be satisfied. It can't eat even one single piece, even a single bit. So you should be very careful while making a decision making. Yes, I need information. I need some rational thinking, but I should not go on getting the feedback, go on getting the suggestion, go on listening to all. That will ruin my entire decision making. That is the thing. Another one, what we do is decision making based on the comparison. So for example, just to remove the picture, apple and thing, you just keep the hand and just remove it. So you are so hungry. Okay, assume that the picture is different. Assume that it is a small lemon. Assumption. Okay, it's a small lemon. So you are so hungry or so thirsty. What do you do? On seeing the lemon, you will be so happy. You will take it, you will cut it, put in the water, put sugar. You feel so much delighted. Okay, this is one happiness, gratification, instant gratification. But when you see the lemon, you are so happy, but immediately I'm keeping an apple with it. When you're going to take the lemon, I'm just keeping the apple. What your brain says, you will compare lemon. I have to take, I have to cut, I have to juice it, I have to add water, I have to put the sugar. And the lemon is not that much tasty, right? Apple. No need to do anything, I'll just eat. So what is the pleasure, what is the happiness, what is the satisfaction you got few minutes before seeing the apple? Everything gone. Now I am giving the same lemon to you. You are consuming the lemon, you will not get satisfied. Why? You always compare. That is also wrong. Yes, it's a part of evaluation. You have to compare with the products, you have to compare with the people. Yes, that's fine. But after certain stage, please fix up. When you buy a dress for 1,000 rupees, your neighbor is buying a dress for 10,000 rupees. If you're happy with the 1,000 rupees, please stay happy with the 1,000 rupees. Don't ask the price at all, whatever it may be, whatever the brand it may be. It is happy for you, it is happy for your friends. Stay with this. But mostly what we will do the mistake, choice of deciding by comparing. What best for me is decided based on the next alternative. Then we will be confused. Okay. So it says that if you go on getting more information overloaded, you can't take the decisions properly. And it was another way it is called as a paradox of choice or paradox of plenty. When you have few apples, when you have one or two mobiles, you'll be happy in using it. For example, we can say Jio, after the Jio introduction. Earlier, per day 1 GB. Or before that, before 5 years, per month 1 GB. 100 SMS daily. We are so happy. I am so happy. I don't know about your current generation. See, initially our SMS charge 2 rupees. Monthly, our incoming cost, even we are just attending the call, monthly we have to pay 100 rupees. And daily they will give 100 SMS free. And for that we have to do a topic. So at that time I am so happy. I will select my friend, 10 friends for each one. I will put only 10 message. Hi, I won't put. I will write a text. So I'm so happy. When somebody is texting, I feel proud. Okay, he has only 100 messages. Out of 100, he sent 2 messages. I'm so happy. When I get a free internet, 10 MB free. If some friend is sharing me some 100 MB, I'm so happy to download some picture, to see the motivational video, to check the mail. I was so happy. But now, per day, they may be giving 3 GB. I don't know what to do use. But at the end of the night, every internet is gone. I don't know what I did. They are asking first initially 200 rupees, next 500 rupees, they may ask 1000 rupees. I am just ready giving the money. I'm having lot of internet. In the mobile, all the application I can download. I can use all the media. But whether I'm happy? No. Because it says that happiness will be limited when your options are more. You won't get satisfied. That also we have to change. That is called as paradox of choice. Please have filtered option. With this, you please choose. If you have thousands of options, you cannot be satisfied. Okay. So this is another story. The hare and tortoise story. You might heard about during the school time. Okay. Still, there is a discussion. Okay. If you are a tortoise, okay, you are consistently working, slow and steady wins the race. Another one is rabbit, which runs fast. In between, it want to take a rest. It was unable to touch it. This is a story. But here we have to take two things. Okay. One person, we have to think in a different way. Whether you want to be a tortoise, slowly, continuously, you are go on working. So for example, you are getting 10,000 rupees. So from 10,000 rupees, you 12,000, 14,000, 16,000, you go on working up to the age of 75. But your job is permanent. You have to work the same level, daily 6 hours only, same work. Are you happy? No disturbance, no torture, no stress, Saturday, Sunday holiday. Another one, the company is giving lot of pressure. Tortoise is getting only 10,000 rupees, but rabbit is getting per month 1 lakh. But the rabbit has to work for nearly 12 hours per day. Saturday, Sunday, no holiday. The salary is 1 lakh. You have to decide whether I need a less pressure. So that means that the tortoise has to work for 10 months to get the salary of 1 month. The tortoise has to work for 10 years to get the salary of 1 year salary of rabbit. That means that the tortoise has to work up to 75 years. But rabbit can work for 20 years to get the same amount of salary. Maybe you are at 20, at the end of 40, you might be having a crores and crores of rupees savings. You have a very good assets, very good car, very good partner. From 41, you are going to happy, enjoy the life. But if you are a tortoise, you are at the same level, slowly improving. You are not comparing others. No pressure, slow pleasure. You have to decide which is good. You have to decide which is good. So I'm not saying in the shortcut or other things. Okay, you have to decide. So the decision making is our interest. We have a lot of things, a perception, understanding about our achievement, our priorities, acceptance of other people about our decisions, our goals, our values matters. Okay, and sometimes we do the mistake. We will not allow the proper time to take the decisions. We have no patience or peace to take the decision. In a hurry, we are making things. And we don't know which is the first factor, which is the second factor, whether the money is first or love is first, whether my family is first or my job is first. We are not having proper priority means we will fail. And some important thing when we are making decisions, sometimes we have to say no to boss. As initially we had a discussion, if I have to do this work, if I don't like the way, I am ready to leave the organization. Sometimes you have to say, no, I don't do this work as you like, because I know very well what I did is right. You are wrong. So sometimes we have to say no, but we should be able to say in a proper way. And we will say the 6 C's. It is a theoretical explanation: construct, compile, collect, compare, consider, and commit. Yes, these all things we discussed later is the keywords. Okay. So for making a good decision making, you should be relaxed. You should think positive. Whenever there is a decision you have to take, please identify what is the actual problem you have to address, and please limit your choices. And before taking a decision, if your decision is right, what is the pleasure you are going to get? If the decision is going to be wrong, what is the pain you are going to get? Whether you are able to get the pain, if your decision is wrong, you should make a decision. Then only you have to make a decision. Okay. So with this, we will end up. So it is having your own decisions. Decision, no decision is right or wrong. Okay, no decision is good or bad. It depends upon your willingness, your value, your family system. Getting a 10,000 rupees and feeling happy spending more time with the family is one decision. And I am ready to give up the family for next 10 years. From 11th year onwards, I am going to spend 24 hours with them. It is your decision. Going for a job initially for 10,000 rupees, but slowly I will learn. Because I want to land up in my wished job, my liked job. I'm ready to go into the 10,000, but slowly I will learn. That is one type. That is your decision. Number two, even I don't like the job, who is giving more salary? They are giving 5 lakh salary. They are killing me. No problem. They are giving 5 lakh salary. No, that is your decision. Okay, so the decision making, we should have a mix of emotional and rational. So most of the time we are becoming so rational. Even the refrigerator purchase, even we say emotional, most of them we started thinking rationally. Statistics, experience, comparison. But at the end of the purchase or end of the any job, we should have happiness, right? We should feel good to your heart, right? So some place, if it is economical oriented, durable products, or if it is a carrier means, yes, you have to take some rational thing, but please mix emotional component also. That means that you should not take every decision as an emotional one. For example, maybe you are in a Kerala, okay, you have to come to Bangalore, okay, your family may be so sentimental, they may be, they don't want you to take a risk, and you may be a homesick. You wish all the next 2 years to be in online. It's the emotional one. Correct? So to certain point, whatever the feasible way, we have to come out, we have to be safe. Next 2 years, we have to sacrifice our family. We have to enter into the good job. Then after 5 years, we have to go to our native itself. That rational decisions you have to make. If you are so emotional, no sir, I want to get a college nearby my home only. No sir, I want to get a job nearby my house. I want to spend only 6 hours per day means, today it will be very good. Emotionally, everybody will be liking you. Okay, even after your marriage, your husband or wife will like you always. My partner is with me only. He won't move out of me. But when comes the commitment, when comes the spending, they will say, please go to foreign somewhere else. Why you are torturing me here? The same emotion will go as a reverse emotion. So you have to think not only today. That's what I am saying. Instant gratification. Don't fall into an instant gratification. Think about long-term pleasure. Okay, so whatever we discussed, we should have a mix. Nothing is right or wrong. Okay, so please listen to your heart at the end, but initially listen to your brain, make option, have only few options when you take the decision. The final point is, please take more time. Please take second opinion, third opinion, fourth opinion, fifth opinion. Please spend more time and efforts, but finally, if you decide and means, stick on to the decision. If I took 2 to 5 days to buy a dress, I asked about 100 people to buy a dress. I went into the lot of reviews. Finally, I got into one dress. When I'm coming to the college, when I go into the bus stand, nobody is appreciating me. Why have to bother about it? Please respect your decision. To certain extent, we should get appreciation, we should get acceptance from others. Apart from it, you know, you have some common sense. Please keep your own circle. If 4 or 5 people accepting, appreciating, that is enough. Don't expect the entire world to appreciate you. If you want to satisfy all the family members, your brother, sister, father, mother, if you want to satisfy all the people means, you have to cheat them, you have to lie them, 24 hours, you have to make the drama. Father may dislike you, mother may like you, be like this. And the situation will change the next day. If it is related to career, my father will change. If it is related to my dress, my mother will like. Accept it. Don't expect everybody to appreciate in all the places. That means that they are cheating you. That is called an instant gratification. Who are all appreciating today, they may not be with us. After 2 years, we have to work with some other people. At that time, if I am sticking on with the same decision suggested by 3 people, means tomorrow I am going to suffer. So, please discuss with all. Please have a rational thing, but please have some hard self-satisfaction on your decision. Money is secondary. People are first. With respect to the people, your self-respect first. When you will get self-respect, when you get a good job, when you get a good partner, when you have a happy life, then only you can have a self-respect. So please don't sacrifice other things. You have to balance both the things. Emotional, rational, you have to balance both the things. You should not be delayed decision maker. You should not be instant decision maker. You should have a balanced thing. Okay. So with this, I can stop, dear students. Okay. We can discuss only this much. I wish to have a lot of discussion with all the people. So I'm so happy. A few people I'm able to pick you. Anyway, we are having 2 or 3 more sessions. Okay, it's a life skill. We have more other programs also. In that, we will be discussing more. So thank you all for all the people for the patient listening. We'll meet you another day. Have a great evening. Meet you soon. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
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 So thank you all. Stay safe. Bye. See you later.